I walked around the machine. We have an additive tank here. It holds 55 gallons, okay? So you don't have to fill this up every once in a while. We put, I think, 6 buckets in here. Now, per tank of material, you only use about 1 bucket. So
that's 20 bags of dust and
10 to about 11 bags of dust, 20 gallons of water, and 1 bucket, and you'll get a tank full of material. So it makes it, it sticks real well to the roof, the ribs, and everything, and you'll see that. When it dries, you can just run your hand on it, and it's very powdery, just like dry rock dust is. So when you do take a sample, it contributes to.
How long does it take this to dry?
About 24 hours, depending on humidity. I mean, summertime it's gonna be longer than wintertime. Wintertime will dry in 8 hours, and let's say 24 hours.
Well, how much is the foam itself?
It's $60 a bucket. This will probably do you anywhere between 200 to 300 foot entryway. Here, probably more because it's lower, depending on, this holds about 250 to 300 gallons. So. But we can go ahead and get it fired up. But in here, now this model here is for demos only. This one is a little more user-friendly on our end, but just to be able to access certain things without having to take out bolts. Here's your foam additive tank. Everything's made with 4x4 tubing, at least around the bottom, and then 2x4 channel or tubing going back just to support it up. Your foam generator is right here, and your pump comes underneath the holding tank itself. And then your compressor is on the other corner, that corner back there. It is a hydraulic air compressor, runs about 15 CFM of air, and runs it just through your foam generator to help create the foam itself. So, and we'll show you some of that as well. It is a little rotor stator pump. Outputs of this one is about 5 gallons a minute. So you have plenty of flow through most fan spray tips, and you can use many different ones. You can use a cone, you can use a fan, you can use anything that would work for you to fit your needs. In addition to this, there's other models of machines as well. This is just the all hydraulic one we have. There is a smaller unit. It's about this tall, about 30 inches. And it's much shorter. It's about this short. So this is mainly made for a little bit higher coal, but this was the demo model that I was able to have put together so that we could demonstrate it for you. So now we can go ahead and get started. We'll show you some of the foam, what it looks like before it gets mixed in with your rock dust. Adding our rock dust in, we already put our water in just to save some time and different things, but as we're adding our rock dust in, we'll go ahead and have the foam going in as well, so it's all mixing together. It only takes a few minutes, and then we'll be ready to go. So to go ahead and put the rock dust in and get everything, the foam added to it, and then we'll be ready to spray and demo. By putting the spiral mixer in reverse, keep it from pushing any dry material. This is your spiral mixer control, and this is your spiral mixer speed. Now these are all lockable to the speed that you need them to be. I have them where I can adjust them on this one, but you would lock them out to the speed that you would need them on a normal basis. You would just leave them. When you're mixing, you'll use your air to make your foam, and then you'll put that in off, and you'll run your pump. You wouldn't run your air and your pump at the same time.
Put another bag in. I got my knife.
Now our other ones do. I mean, our electrical one, we have to go through and have all that stuff done. The other one we do it for all of it.
It's pretty,
Getting all the water stuff out of it.
it's pretty good, doesn't it?
I'll find the water.